Content isn't one size fits all. What performs well on TikTok may not resonate on YouTube or LinkedIn, and viewers expect different experiences depending on where they're scrolling. So how do you design content that stands out and suits each platform? What makes content land on each platform? TikTok, fast, fun, trending. Instagram, visual, curated, and scroll heavy. Facebook, informative and shareable. Luckily, Canva has templates specifically designed for each platform. They're here to help you easily connect with each app's audience, plus stay on top of ever-changing trends. Even when you're jumping between platforms, your content creation stays simple. From concept to design, all in Canva. With Magic Write, coming up with content ideas can be simple and stress-free. Let's start on the home page and select Docs. A blank page can be pretty daunting, especially if you don't know where to start. That's where Magic Write comes in. Select from the toolbar, then describe what you want. Let's say you're a cafe owner. Type in, generate a short product launch title to promote our cafe's new matcha offering. Hit generate, and Magic Write will start coming up with ideas just like that. There are a lot of great lines here, but I want something shorter. Let's select this but and type shorter to see what else it suggests. Cool. I'll tap insert so everything goes into the doc. I can keep some of these lines for future promos. Now we've got a great range of copy. Let's prepare the post. With Canva templates, it's easy to get an Instagram story together quickly. I don't have to start from scratch or figure out what suits the platform. These templates are designed especially for Instagram, so I can focus on telling my story, not stressing over the format. Let's start on the homepage and select templates. Now, we'll choose social media. You can browse by category, or start exploring popular templates. There are thousands here, all designed for specific platforms. But we want something to suit our new matcha offering, so let's search matcha. I like the look of this one. Feels like something that will stand out when customers are scrolling. Tap Customize this template to open it in the editor, so we can make it our own. We'll select the text and replace it with one of the copy lines that we generated earlier. Finally, we can make some tweaks to match the cafe's branding. Now it's polished, on brand, and ready to post. Even though we started with a blank page, Magic Write helped us come up with copy. Then we picked the perfect template and personalized it to suit our customers. Whether you're running a cafe or just brewing up your next big idea, Canva helps you design content that's perfectly suited to every social platform. And with all that time you saved, you'll be the one relaxing with a matcha.